friends, myself CM Dinesh from KSR College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today we can take about theory of machines first unit, and this is the contact details of myself. If any queries in this video, kindly contact me. Let's go for the video. The first topic in the theory of machines is basic of mechanics. The mechanism is a part of machines which transfers motion and power from the input point to output point. You can see this, the two mechanism, the animated image will be shown below the slide. You can see it. This is the basic needs which are all seen in your day-to-day life. Next, the first mechanism is the drag link mechanism. You can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 links are there. It's mainly used in quick return mechanism, and then many slaughter machines, many shaper machine. These are all the common mechanism which will be used in the machining equipment in manufacturing technology labs. And these are all the details about the drag link mechanism. The drag link mechanism refers to 4-bar linkage in which both rotating links that is crank make a complete revolution. As long as you keep the point that control the length of the link within the rectangle and approximately the same length, there will be no dead point position and both crank will be turned freely. On some applications, the drag link swings from the front to the rear of the vehicle. On this application, the drag link connects to the steering arm located at the wheel. In some Jeep application, the drag link will swing from the right to left on the vehicle and will be connected to the steering arm at the wheel. The drag link mechanism is mainly used in steer wheel mechanism. And these are all the advantages and applications and disadvantages of a drag link mechanism. The main application is a steering mechanism in automobile and engineering, engine indicator diagram and valve acting mechanism in the ICE engines. And the main advantages is simple and compact design, providing exact constrained motion. And the main disadvantages is not suitable for high-speed applications due to dynamic imbalance, limited to the planar motion only. Wear and tear at the joints were reduced accurately over time. Next, we go for next mechanism. It is Whitworth quick return mechanism. This is most of the mechanism used in shaping and slaughter machine. You can see the animated image of the Whitworth quick return mechanism on the left top of the slide, and this is the block diagram is shown below in the slide. The mechanism which is mostly used in shaping and slotting machines, and we have to have some of the parts which are used in the Whitworth quick return mechanism. The first is connecting rod and the driven crank, and the link 1, 2 and 3. The 1 is a slaughter bar, and the 2 is a fixed link, and the 3 is a driving crank, and 4 is slider. And you can see the pink line is a line of stroke which will travel the ramp position, which is the ramp position. At the end of the ramp position, it carries the tool. It is a cutting tool which is machining the component in the slotting and shaping machines. There are two types of strokes occur in the Whitworth quick return mechanism. One is cutting stroke and then return stroke. The name itself has tell the cutting stroke as a slow in motion, and the return stroke is a very quick in motion. So the name itself shown that it's a quick return mechanism. Then we go for quick return mechanism. It's a type of inversion of single slider crank chain used to convert rotatory motion into reciprocative motion with a non-uniform speed. It is commonly used in shaping and slotting machines. The main application are shaping and slotting machine, metal cutting operation required in a quick return mechanism. Advantage: reduced idle time by making the return stroke, increasing productivity due to quicker operation cycle, simple mechanical constraint, and easy to maintain. And the last one is disadvantages: no uniform motion may be cause vibration at the high speed, limited to light and medium duties operation, inefficient of very high speed or precision task. These are all the key points used to write in the exam. Mainly, you can draw the block diagram of the quick return mechanism and explain about the quick return mechanism and the component of the quick return mechanism. Then finally, you can able to write the application and the advantages. These are all the important 8 mark question from the unit 1. Next, this is the time of the ratio between the time taken during the cutting and return stroke is given by time of the cutting stroke divided by time of the return stroke. The time of the cutting stroke is taken as alpha and the time of the return stroke is taken as beta. These are all the formula which will calculate the effective stroke R1 and R2. These are all the main formula. You can easily remember. It's an easy one. You can easily take the formula and calculate the each of the timing strokes and then length and rest of the angles also. And next one is crank and slaughter lever mechanism. This is a simple mechanism. The difference between the crank and the lever mechanism and the Whitworth quick return is that the Whitworth mechanism, the return stroke is faster than the forward stroke, while the crank and lever mechanism is forward stroke is same speed and the return stroke is as that of return stroke. These are all the major difference. The input and the output, both the speed are, the cutting and return stroke of the both the speed are have a same speed. The crank and lever mechanism is a quick return mechanism used to convert rotary motion into reciprocating motion, commonly found in shaping and slotting, where the return stroke is faster than forward stroke, improve machine efficiency. And the next one is straight line motion and the mechanism. These are all the animated image of a straight line motion mechanism. You can see that the straight line motion mechanism are used to convert rotary or angular motion into an exact or approximate straight line motion without using guidelines. They are commonly used in engines, pump and cutting machines. The applications are steam engine piston movement, cutting and slotting mechanism, automobile suspension. These are all the major applications used in the mechanism. And then advantages is straight line motion without guidelines, reduced friction and wear, and compact and simple compared to other guiding systems. And the final disadvantages is limited accuracy in approximate mechanism, complex linkage arrangement in exact mechanism, difficult to maintain due to multiple joint and moving. These are all the major applications, advantages and disadvantages of straight line motion mechanism. And the next one is Geneva mechanism. Geneva mechanism. These are all the animated image of the Geneva mechanism. You can easily many of the places you can see the Geneva mechanism. It is an indexing mechanism that converts continuous rotation motion into intermediate rotation motion. It consists of driving wheel with a pin and driving wheel with a slot. The application are film projector to advance film frame by frame, and watch making machineries for precision and increment movement, automotive tool changer in CNC machine and packing machines. Advantages is accurate, simple construction, smooth intermediate drive, and disadvantages is high wear and tear. It's not suitable for high speed operations. Limited angular displacement for rotation has been taken care in the Geneva mechanism. And next one is Roberts mechanism. This is also almost similar than straight line mechanism. You can see it. These are all the animated image of a robot mechanism. The robot mechanism is a straight line motion mechanism used to convert rotary motion into an exact and approximate straight line motion without the usage of guidelines. I already tell this is similar to the straight line motion mechanism. And the application are shaping machine and slotting machine, tool recovered straight line paths, and automatic machinery for controlled motions. And the advantages are provide approximate straight line motion with fewer component, simple design and easier to manufacture, low maintenance due to fewer moving parts. And the finally disadvantages are produce only approximate straight line motion, not a perfect accurate motion, and limited in terms of stroke length, not suitable for high speed or heavy load applications. And you can seen in the first slide itself, it's a ratchet ball mechanism. It's majorly used for the water taking in the well, or while using the volleyball and tennis nets. These are all the types which hold the net in the volleyball post or tennis post. You can travel the uh, rotating wheel in one side, and the opposite side of the wheel the force has been restricted through the ball. The rack and ball mechanism. The rack and ball allowed intermediate linear or rotatory motion in one direction while preventing motion in opposite direction. It consists of ratchet wheel and ball that eats with the teeth of ratchets, engaged with the teeth of ratchets. The application used in mechanical clock and watches, commonly used in lift jacks and hand drill and winches, used in bicycle free wheels to allow forward motion without pedal rotations. The advantages are allow unidirectional motion control, prevent backwards motion, ensure safety and precision, some and cost effective design. The disadvantages are wear and tear of the ball and racket teeth over time. The produce noise due to during operation. Not suitable for high speed and continuous motion operation. And finally, is toggle mechanism. These are all the animated image of a toggle mechanism you can see in the slide. These are all the components used in this slot mechanism. Majorly, the major component of a toggle mechanism is a spring and the lower links. The toggle mechanism is consists of two arms connected by pin and arranged in such a way the small force applied at one end produce a large force at the other, especially near the toggle position when both arms are almost in a straight line, commonly used to amplify the force or locking moment. The applications of toggle mechanism are power press and punching machine, clamping device in fixtures, folding mechanisms. The advantages are high mechanical advantage near the toggle position, simple design with a few moving parts. And the final disadvantages are limited stroke and range of motion can experience wear at the joint over time. Not suitable for high speed application due to potential for jamming. Thank you for listening my session in the theory of machines unit 1. I can cover the major parts in the unit of first unit with some of the mechanism. If there any doubt, there is a mail ID in your screen for and contact number. You can contact anytime for any doubt. Thank you once again. Bye bye.